What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we have got this adjustable trailer hitch from Orion Motor Tech. I needed a hitch for the Ram, and so I went online, I started looking, and I came across this guy right here, which seems to be pretty good. Now, in most cases, I would unbox this product. We'd both unbox it together, but I really had to use this to pick up a trailer. So we're just going to go over what's included in the package and show you the setup. All right, so you can see all of the components here in this kit. It's pretty straightforward. It's nice and adjustable. Pretty easy to use, very sleek, good setup, good quality, good build, good materials, all that good stuff. So we're going to go here into this label here. So this is the one we're looking at right here, label 2. So on the 2-inch ball, you get 8,000 pounds max trailer weight. And on the 2 5/16, you get 18,500 pounds. And this is the one that we have here. So let's go ahead and open this box. All right, so pretty simple setup, nicely packaged. You've got this piece covering up the top here. Then you've got this section here. You just pull this out, and we've got exposure to everything in here. Now, as mentioned, I did have to use this, so you may see some marks on it already, but this is how it comes, and overall, I'm very pleased with the product. So here we have the hitch. You can see that nice, it's a beautiful color here. Very nice, well done here. This is the side that I end up using, as you can see the marks on this side here, but there's the product right there. Good looking product. All right, next component here. Comes with 2 locks, which is pretty nice. You've got an Allen key. You've got some little rubber gaskets here. And then you've got these 4 here to help with absorption. I only ended up using 2 of them, so we're just going to put 2 out. All right, so we're going to show you how easy it is to set this up here. Here is the key. So we're going to go ahead and unlock these. So there are those unlocked. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to slide this down in place. So what we're going to do before we get that set in place, because we're going to have to lock it in, is we're going to get our 2 rubber rings here. We're going to put 2 of these on this side. And after you slide it over, you'll put 1 on the end. So we'll save 1 there. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to put 2 of these on this side. And save 1 of these for the end. Now again, the assembly is pretty straightforward. So this is the ball we're going to use. So we're going to face that up. We're going to slide this on top here like so. Slide that down and get that to the spot where you need it. In this example, we're going to be using the 5th hole. All we're going to do is we're going to take our lock, slide it here. And as it comes through on the other side, we're going to add this last piece here. And then add our lock. That piece is ready to go. Now for this section here, all we're going to do is we're going to take this top piece and we're going to slide 2 of these on here just to give us some absorption there while it's being used. And the last piece is to insert this and connect it to the truck. So let's go over there and do that. All right, so now we take this and we slide it in place here. We're going to make sure we align up everything to the right spot. Get that aligned in the hole there. And then as we have that aligned, we slide this through. And as that comes out the other side, we take our next piece here, we put it on that side, and we lock it in place. And just like that, we're done. Everything's locked in place, and we are ready to go. Look at that. That looks pretty good. That right there, that is good stuff. So as mentioned, I did use it already. It performed very well. I didn't have any issues. Again, when you look at the rating here, this can handle up to 18,500 pounds. So it's well equipped to handle whatever job you got for yourself. So that's it for this product. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.